back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. On today's recipe share, I'm going to be showing you how to make condensed milk from the comfort of your home for all of your recipes that require condensed milk. So first things first, you're going to make your whole milk. And if you don't have whole milk, I'm going to show you right now how to do it. You're simply going to add some milk and then butter and water into a bowl, and you're going to stir that. And just like that, you have turned your powdered milk to whole milk. Now let's continue to our condensed milk recipe. So you're going to stir and stir properly so that everything is combined well and nicely, and then you're going to add the sugar that we've measured. Like I said, don't worry about the exact measurements. I'm going to drop them in the description box. So you're going to mix that again and just stir carefully to combine. So in a clean pan, you're going to transfer the milk mixture that we just made, and you're going to pour it carefully into the pan, and you're going to start to stir and stir and stir until it starts to thicken like you'd see in the video. Okay, so this is thick enough, and you don't want it too thick because when it cools down, it's going to thicken some more. And as soon as this is ready, you're going to transfer that into a clean bowl or container, and then you're going to allow that to cool down before you refrigerate so that you can always have access to your condensed milk. Now, this condensed milk can be used for any of the recipes that requires condensed milk, ice cream. You can use it as a bread spread, whatever the case may be. And I hope you try it out. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you can't have access to store-bought condensed milk, you don't have to panic anymore, because now you know how to make condensed milk from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.